So I enrolled in Hilda Baci's Christmas menu class, the Nigerian chef that broke world record for the longest cooking marathon. Okay, I'll be talking about team energy. As you can see my t-shirt, can you see? I'll be sharing one of the puff recipes in this video, so you want to stay till the end of this video. My birthday is on the 11th of December and I am so thankful. Nigeria, pepper them gang. You have to eat lots of pepper. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Baci and on this channel I share videos on food and business. I also share videos on AFDAC registration. Kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos you'll be informed. So today is not my regular kind of video, as you can see. In my last premiere, someone asked me if I was a lecturer because I was always looking professional and serious in most of my videos. So in today's video, it's going to be all fun and it is celebration time. I'll be talking about team energy. As you can see my t-shirt, can you see? My birthday also is on the 11th of December. Actually, this period of the year is usually my best period of the year because I have a lot of celebrations in December. Also, my wedding anniversary, I'll be 7 years this year. It's also on the 17th of December. And then I'll also be sharing with you a puff recipe. I enrolled in Hilda Baci's Christmas menu class and it's been an amazing culinary experience. I want to stay till the end of this video. My goggles like so those people that are always coming to ask me if I'm a lecturer or not, maybe because of the kind of videos that I create, right? So but now today's video is not the regular kind of video, so this is not that serious, you know, trying to teach and all that. And I'll start first of all by saying thank you to God for helping me this far in my YouTube journey. I want to also say thank you to all my subscribers. You all are doing great, and a lot of viewers, because I noticed that I have, in fact, 90% or even maybe 70% of the people that even watch my videos are not yet subscribed to my channel. I still want to thank you for watching all my videos, okay? So just subscribe. Then in this YouTube journey, I met amazing set of people, and that's where Team Energy, you can see my t-shirt, okay? Team Energy, it's more like an accountability group. This group was created by Temilayo and Mom and Jennifer Roland. And for me, before I do things, most times I'm always intentional about the things that I do. And this year I wanted to be more consistent in posting videos on YouTube, and it was on this YouTube space I also met Temilayo and Mom's channel. And when I heard about this accountability group, Team Energy, I decided to join. And as it is, it's Team Energy. In fact, if you're not even ready to be consistent in your posting on YouTube, don't bother joining. And the funny thing is, Temilayo and Mom and Jennifer Roland, this moment they are smiling with you, the next moment they are giving you one strike. It's just like, sometimes I wonder if they are teachers somewhere, maybe with that cane they will just wipe your bum for you. So but I really needed that accountability. I really needed that seriousness, okay, in my YouTube journey. I wanted to be posting more, and the truth is, if you don't post regularly on YouTube will leave you. Okay, so you have to keep, the way the algorithm works, you have to be creating. And when I heard about Team Energy, I joined some few months ago, but this November is actually Team Energy's 1 year anniversary, right? But I joined, I think in October, or was it September, but about 4 months now or so that I joined. I've been seeing, you know, consistent growth because it's an accountability group. You have a posting day, you have a premiere day, and you don't have to miss out on those premiere days. And there are also other rules and regulations in the group. But there I met amazing people who have the same, you know, vision about being YouTube creators. They're in different niches, but we're just supporting each other to grow. And I've learned a whole lot in this Team Energy group, okay? So one thing about YouTube growth is you have to make sure that your videos are visible, and that's where SEO comes in. I have a little bit of knowledge on SEO, but when I joined this group, the way Temilayo and Mom and also Jennifer Roland explained this SEO, they drove this point home, and I'm so glad that I'm part of this great group. And also there are loving members of the Team Energy group. I want to say Thank you each and every one of you for supporting the growth of this channel so far. Thank you to you, Temilayo and Mom and Jennifer, for helping us grow, and also helping your own channels also grow. Okay, so this year, to mark the 1 year anniversary, every one of us, although we're in different locations, we had to support an orphanage, and the clips would also show actually.
How are you? Hello. Yes, God will bless you for all the work that you are doing. God will enrich you. Your own will not spoil. Because you are caring for these children, your own will be preserved. Your life will be preserved. Thank God for our growth so far. We want to tell you, today is actually our 1 year anniversary for creating the group and for everyone as a family in the group. So we are in different places, different states. So the both of us happen to be in the same.
I've learned how to be consistent in my posting. I've also learned a whole lot on this group. And if you also want to be part of this accountability group, probably to grow your channel by being consistent, you can check out Temilayo and Mom on YouTube. Okay, but I'll be throwing a special spotlight on one of the Team Energy sisters, one of the ladies on the group. So I'll be talking about Amarachukwu Afoka. Okay, I'll be leaving her handle. Please follow her. She does amazing lifestyle vlogs. She's amazing. She's calm. She's also beautiful. This thing where you see some people and just connect with them naturally. If you subscribe to her channel, if you follow her and watch her videos, you'll see that she has this calm spirit that will always attract people. Inner beauty. She's also beautiful on the outside. And then Amara also shares vlogs about her student life, because she'll soon be graduating, but she has done a lot of vlogs on being a student. So if you're actually trying to get some motivation or inspiration, maybe you're trying to start out your YouTube channel and you're a student, you don't know how to go about it, I think you can reach out to her and check out her channel. Also, she sells anything beddings. She's so focused. She sells beddings, so your bed sheets and duvets and all that. And then she also sells perfumes, very lovely perfumes. You want to connect with her, and please, if you subscribe to her channel, tell her that you're from Vetri Uto's channel. Then moving on to the next, like I said earlier, my birthday is on the 11th of December, and I am so thankful to God for bringing me this far. Okay, it's always celebration time for me this period of the year. Like, it's celebration, and Christmas is also there. There's a whole lot of celebration on my birth month. My anniversary also is on 17th of December, and I'll be 7 years in marriage, and I thank God for everything He has done for my children. I have 2 children, a boy and a girl, and I know on this channel I don't really share so much. I don't like that, except maybe I want to show you something related to the food niche, and most times I always want to just share things around food, around business and all that. But I am thankful today. So I told you today is a different kind of video. I'm thankful to God. This is me saying thank you to God for everything He has done for me. Like, this is my best year so far. I know next year is going to be greater and bigger. I want to thank God for good. Okay, we are sitting currently on 1,300 plus subscribers on this channel, and I want to say thank you to every single one that is subscribed to my channel. Like, I am so thankful. I am grateful. I'm grateful to God. I'm grateful to God for my subscribers. I'm also grateful to God for the viewers, because I have a lot more viewers than even my subscribers, way more. Okay, and I'm grateful for every one of you. Thank you for loving my content, and your feedbacks actually keep me going. I get a lot of feedbacks from especially my NAFDAC videos. I had lots of people write me emails, and I'm thankful that I'm actually providing solutions, right? And that's one of the reasons why I am here on YouTube. I wanted to provide solution to people, not just in Nigeria, but all over the world. Okay, and I'm glad I'm doing that. I wanted to bring in my skills, my expertise, my knowledge to affect lives globally. I didn't just want to remain just in Nigeria, okay, or affecting people just in Nigeria. I wanted to affect people all over the world, and I'm so glad that I have people reaching out to me from outside Nigeria, even those in Nigeria, thanking me for affecting them through my videos. I've had people also buy my books from the UK, from some countries. I've had some Indians reach out to me, and I also checked after Nigeria, the next country that views my content more is United States and India, and I'm so shocked and surprised. Like, I want to say thank you to every country that's currently viewing my content done. I'll probably do a birthday vlog if I can, but this is me saying thank you to every one of you. Then I've always wanted to enroll in a proper culinary training, because I want to have like an online school where I teach people how to bake cakes, decorate cakes. I also want to teach people how to cook different kinds of food and all that. So I enrolled in Hilda Baci's Christmas menu class, the Nigerian chef that broke world record for the longest cooking marathon. The title now belongs to someone else, but she puts Nigeria on the map, and it was so inspiring for me because she went ahead to show us that our dreams are valid if we can pursue them. She, through persistence, teamwork, dedication, smart work, was able to pull that through, right? I followed her through the process. I even shared 2 videos dedicated to her. You can check my videos there on my playlist dedicated to her and how she actually became the Guinness World Record holder. And so this year I told myself I was going to enroll in her culinary class, and I just enrolled, and it's been an amazing experience, right? A lot of things, like I'm like, how did she come up with all these recipes? We actually have 160 recipes to learn, and so far we've done like about 100 plus videos. I've also practiced some of the things and the recipes I learned, and I'll be uploading it here on YouTube. So today I'll be sharing with you the puff puff recipe. So make sure you try it out and tag me. Let me know if you love the recipe. I have puff puff recipe on my channel. This particular one I have on my channel has onions, pepper, and all that. It's more like a Nigerian version. But the one we learned in class, or the one I practice actually, doesn't have that spice. Some countries don't really like spices like pepper. Nigeria, pepper them gang. You have to eat lots of pepper in Nigeria, okay? So I also have that recipe on this channel. Let me know if you like this kind of videos, like where I come to share stories. Probably I would always attach a food recipe to it, because I'm posting things related to food. I've trained the algorithm, okay, to know that my channel is a food channel. So basically I hope to share, probably tell stories. I have some stories, even the ones I learned while working in a food company. If you want to hear such stories, please let me know in the comment section. Probably I'll just attach a food video or a recipe to it also. This is my birthday goggles and this is celebration time. If you like this my goggles, let me know, so I'll be wearing more of it often. Some of those people that are saying I always look serious, I'm like a lecturer, this, that, at least you can see now that I also have this fun side of me. So I'll probably look for ways to make my videos more, fun and all that. I actually laugh a lot in my videos, but it's just that most times when I'm editing, I edit that part out. I'm like, why are you laughing too much? So now this is me, okay? So I'll try to incorporate some of these in my videos. If you like it, let me know also in the comment section. So say a word of prayer for me, even as I'm clocking one more year very soon. I hope to do a birthday vlog, maybe. I'm not really a vlog kind of person, like showing my lifestyle and all that. There was a period I wanted to film a video in I visited a slaughter, okay, in my area. So I wanted to film a video about the slaughter, okay, to teach, maybe to show people the prices of meat and all that. So, but when I brought out my camera, 2 of the young people that were there were like, they were now looking at me somehow. It's even when I went close, because I went with my church flyers also to share that, because I had a program in church. Even when I went close, they were like, that they were afraid when they saw my camera. So some of those things discouraged me from even doing vlogs, maybe related to the food niche. So I'll try what that's possible to see. So I just carried my camera back, my phone into my bag. I'm like, who sent me? So most times that's like saying doing only sit down videos, but on a normal day I just live a quiet life, okay? So I don't even show much of, I don't go out that much to start showing and all that. So that's why I just concentrated on what I know how to do best. I grew up watching my mom cook when I was little, and then I learned from her. My mom used to cook for, she was a banker, and she used to cook for occasions. She also had some banks she was supplying food to lunch, so she would send us to go and serve them sometimes. Also, I grew up into a business and food business. Like, I always known that I belong to the food industry, so I've never waved off from the food industry. Like, I know this is where my passion lies. Okay, so this is what I know how best to do, and that's what I'm teaching. So let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed today's video, my chit chat or my fun video. Okay, and then I'll also be attaching the puff puff recipe. Please try this puff puff recipe out. Thank you, my community. Thank you, Team Energy members. Thank you, Temilayo and Mom. Thank you, Jennifer, Roland. Hello friends, this puff puff is all shades of yumminess and more, and I achieved it using Hilda Baci's recipe. These are the list of ingredients: flour 1.5 cup, sugar 1/2 cup, salt 1/2 teaspoon, yeast 1/2 teaspoon, milk 1/2 tablespoon, vanilla 1 teaspoon, and water 1 cup. And I achieved it by mixing everything together, and I proceeded to beat it thoroughly before setting it aside for 20 minutes to rise. After rising, it was time to fry. Who else has challenged frying puff puffs? Well, I had to use my hand, and I fried it on medium heat, and this exactly was how I fried it. And just as Hilda taught us in class, I was there stirring it continuously to avoid stories that touch. And this is the yummy goodness. Thank you for watching. Bye.